Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Sign into your Geeks for Geeks account and verify your token or active session. This avoids interrupting the flow. Once done, open the Tools menu and click Time Machine to load the workspace. Make sure your browser permissions for clipboard and storage are enabled, because the tool saves drafts locally and copies snippets. This rapid check prevents permission errors and gets you straight into the actionable steps. You now configure the session to match your goal. Choose the problem and language, then paste or upload specific test input so results are reproducible. This matters for debugging. Next, adjust run options like time limit and memory limit to reflect contest or local conditions. Once configured, click Run or Debug and watch the console and output tabs for failures. If you see timeouts, reduce input size or increase limits. Verbose logs help you pinpoint where execution stalls. You finish by saving and validating the session so work is reproducible. Export the snapshot, which includes code, logs, and inputs. This creates a shareable record. Then replay the session with alternate inputs or step through with the debugger to confirm fixes. If things go wrong, first clear cache and re-authenticate. Browser extensions can interfere, so disable them briefly and retry. Finally, rerun the exported snapshot to ensure the solution behaves identically and you haven't missed a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.